To access Teams, search Hub, log in, and here you'll need to log in using your child's Hub account, which will end in @hubcymru.net. Once here, click on the waffle where it says Menu and go into Office 365. From here we'll need to go into the Teams app, which is over on the left hand side here. You'll be given the option to download the app to your computer or device, or to just use the internet instead. If you download the app, it means that your child will be logged in automatically. I'm going to go through the web. On the left hand side, if you find the Teams tab, and your child may be part of different teams, so if they find their class team, this is my class. If you look along the top, there are different tabs here. The first thing you'll want to do once logging into Teams is perhaps the child would like to post and say good morning, so the teacher knows that they are online. Next, you'll want to go over to the class notebook. If you click on the purple arrow here, and if you go into Content Library, here there is an overview of the learning for the week. So there'll be different weeks of learning here. So week 1, and here the teacher has put an overview of what the learning is for the week. So this first table shows the lessons. We have the learning objective here. This will be in yellow. The task, so what the child needs to do, will be in blue. And then the important part is the assignment name, and we'll come back to that. So we will have a literacy, numeracy and topic based lesson per day. So 3 lessons a day, and we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for example, for the Monday, for the literacy, the children will be learning about using punctuation. They'll be learning about capital letters and full stops. And to access this lesson, they'll need to go into the assignments section and find literacy punctuation 1. I'll come back to that. Down here, we have basic skills. So these will be uploaded once a week, and the idea is that they practice these things every day. So we've got reading, so they could do a reading log, which is 20 minutes a day. Spelling, daily practice of a spelling list. Welsh, there'll be a sentence pattern to practice, and mental maths. And these will be available in the assignment section as well. So once your child knows what assignment they need to be doing, so we're looking for literacy punctuation 1, they need to go back up to the top, and they need to go to the assignments tab. And in here is the lesson, literacy punctuation 1. So once they click on this, there will be a video explaining what they need to do, and the task will be on there as well. Once it's handed in, the teacher will be able to give feedback, and in the assignment section, they will see their returned work.